What's up, everybody? It's Asia, and I'm back with another video. Today I have a video with my makeup collection. I was going through everything just to kind of throw things out, but before I did that, I thought I would show you guys all the shit that I have collected and why I need to throw shit out. So, yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and go through everything, not like go through it, but like show you guys everything. So, yeah. And go ahead and leave a like and subscribe if you're new. Bye! So like over here on this side, I have like a color corrector and most of my powders going this way. We've got powders, 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 lots of powders. Blushes, lots of blushes. Highlighters, bronzers. That Fenty highlighter right there, that is my favorite highlighter ever. That one is Trophy Wife. It's my favorite highlighter ever. Love that. So this is my highlighters, my blushes, my bronzers, my powders, um, and I guess like one color corrector over there. So that's what those guys are. Guys, so this is most of all of my foundations and concealers, my powder foundations, my cream foundations, any of the other types of foundations. And then I've got these like illuminating drops here, some Bare Minerals, Pro Conceal, my favorite concealer ever. And I have others, but I don't know where they are. I'm looking for them. I have no idea where they are. But yeah. And I have different shades of foundations for like the different skin tones that I am during the year. Like when it's cold, winter, when it's hot outside, summer. So yeah. And whoa, welcome to my most unorganized, well, not my most unorganized drawer, my second most unorganized makeup drawer. I actually I have a lot of lip products, and this isn't even all of them. And I know it's pretty sad, but I love lip products, and I just love makeup in general, but I love lip products. And so I have a lot of those. And I have a lot of storage containers for these. I just don't have space to put them right now. I have to kind of figure out where I'm going to put everything on my makeup and stuff. So that's why I'm going through everything, seeing what I'm going to keep, what I'm going to throw away or give away, and then I'm going to display everything properly. And then I'm going to show you guys in a makeup setup video after I'm finished with all that. But for right now, I very messily, and I know this, threw it all in here. And I mean, for the most part, it's kind of organized. I know where things are. So, you know, if I need to grab anything, I can pretty much grab it. The Fenty, like the Fenty Gloss Bombs, or whatever those are called. These I found at a little store that was closing. These are like 12-hour lip glosses, and they're amazing. I have some whole bunch of Kylie products under here. Like the drawer goes all the way down in here, and it's full of Kylie, full of ColourPop and Lime Crime lipsticks, which I love so much. So yeah, so I have a very big obsession with lip products. I know this already, but I'm going to go through these, like I said, and set them all up for you guys, and then show you guys everything after I'm finished, and we're going to move on to the next drawer. Alright, guys. This is probably going to be the worst drawer you have ever seen in your life. This is the most unorganized makeup drawer that I have in my entire house. This is the most unorganized thing in my entire life, actually. I have a lot of eye products. I love, okay, so I know you guys know that I love lip products, but I absolutely have an obsession with eye products, eyelashes, eyeliners. And I'm not even very good with eyeliner, but I do practice with it. Mascaras, like anything you can think of. So in here I've got some, I'm looking through my camera, sorry guys, some setting sprays, some primers, lots of mascaras, different types of mascaras. I have to go through this. Oh, there's that shave balm that everybody was using a long time ago. You know that big craze on YouTube where everyone's using that men's sensitive post shave balm for primer, and it works amazingly. I still have it. I haven't used it in forever, but I have it. I've got lashes. Those came from that store that was closing. Such a good deal, and everything was like half off. Lashes, setting spray, primers. I have like disposable things in here too for when I do makeup on friends and family if they want. There's lots of things in here. And I do need to go through here also. And oh, my favorites. Sorry for all the rumbling, guys, but like my favorite is this really pretty rose gold. It looks regular gold, but it's a beautiful rose gold color. It's my favorite. I love this one. This is my favorite. I have a couple of these. Like I have another one here. And then I think I have a pink one. Yeah. Here. So I gotta go through these guys. So don't judge me, but I know you're gonna do it anyway, so I don't care. Anyway, so what's a video without judgment if I don't want to put it up here? You know what I mean? Like that probably doesn't make any sense, but in my mind that makes sense. What I'm trying to say is if I didn't want what I'm trying to say is if I didn't want anyone judging my videos, I wouldn't have put them up here in the first place, even though I do it for myself just because I want something to look back at and laugh and, you know, to see my personal growth for the years. So if you want to come along with me and join my journey, that'll be great. But if not, that's okay too. We all have our own likes and dislikes. And I'm going to go to my last section of makeup and we are going to be done here. And for the last section of makeup, I actually have to vacuum my carpet, so don't mind my dog just ripped up a whole bunch of bones all over the floor right now. So yeah, anyways, that's my vacuum right there. I just left everything all on the floor. Whole bunch of eyeshadows. These are smaller eyeshadow palettes and little eyeshadow thingies. And I use this to do my makeup every day, which I haven't washed off yet. And I just did my makeup, so I have to wash it off in a second, so don't mind that. Like I said, I have a huge selection of eyeshadows. Mostly smaller eyeshadows, not really the bigger eyeshadows. But still, eyeshadows nonetheless. Anyways, there's my dog. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys have any questions or comments or concerns, leave it below in the comments and I will answer them. And leave a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you're new. Thank you guys so much for being here. Bye.